Yes, good morning. Let's hope we all good. We all doing fine. Yes, my video is about cryptos. It's not about the usual trading that we normally have on actually weekly days. So it's a weekend, it's a Saturday, and I would love to talk about cryptos. Okay, cryptos. These are some of the assets that I trade on weekends since my broker allows me to, and I've been trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and uh, the XRP. So basically, I'll dive in to look at Bitcoin, how far it has gone, and how far it has played so far. So Bitcoin, I took a buy of recent, like I displaced a buy last Saturday. There's a setup that I took, and I've been waiting for a pullback to play out so that I can see that I get in again. So let me start off with a pullback with a Bitcoin. Bitcoin, like I analyzed it on daily. I took it from monthly, weekly, daily, then H4. But let me just go to daily. Daily, we still see that Bitcoin is still bearish. For some reason, since we see the current order flow leg that we're having is a bearish order flow leg, which means you can see this is a daily break of structure, and this is the external swing high, and this is external swing low. This should be an external swing low. Yes. So Bitcoin is within this bearish trading range, which is on the daily. Yeah. So Bitcoin is literally pulling back. When we come to weekly, we're gonna see that Bitcoin is literally trying to pull back towards areas of premium of this leg. You see, weekly we still have, it still shows the same leg, bearish leg. And when I put a gun box, you could literally see Bitcoin is still in discount. Like you say, as you say, Bitcoin is still in discounted areas. We're still trying to pull back towards areas of premium. So this is the red shaded area to see that maybe we can continue setting it off to the downside. Yes, or not so, we can still break above uh, this weekly trading range, then we shift, we have a joke. So since Bitcoin, we saw that Bitcoin, my first area of target was this bearish fair value gap, the first bearish fair value gap. It played out and it gave me a nice stop, a nice take profit hit. So you can literally see it on 4 hour as it reacted off of this first weekly fair value gap, but it's likely disrespecting this first weekly fair value gap. Yeah, to me, candles close in between inside this weekly fair value gap, and I'm hoping for Bitcoin to be seen aiming higher to take out this engineered liquidity, which is buy side liquidity above. So I've been waiting for this pullback. This is the pullback I've been waiting for, to see that I continue to stack in more buys, to see that I continue buying it. Yeah. So this is what I had. My area of demand, as you can see, is fully marked. This is my area of demand. It's a valid demand. It has imbalance and it broke structure, and it took liquidity from the previous candle low, as you can see. So I'm waiting to see how Bitcoin plays out. I'm hoping for more buys is to come in off of this area of demand, and I'll be targeting first this buy side liquidity. Then my ultimate target will be the uh the second weekly fair value gap, which is in the area of premium. So I'm waiting for this to happen. This is what exactly I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that to happen. Yes, I'm waiting for the buy, and I'm already into a buy. My stop loss is below this swing low. Yes, exactly. You can see the swing low. So I took Bitcoin and I took XRP also on the buy because they all have the same setups. XRP still, I'll be targeting for this buy side liquidity. First, this is my buy first target, second target, and the last target is literally the weekly fair value gap. Yeah, let's look at XRP shortly. You can see, yeah, we have a weekly fair value gap. This is exactly what I'm targeting. Yes, so it's literally gonna be a swing, and I'll be swinging it throughout the weekend. Yeah, and another one I took also Ethereum still, we're still having the same area of demand, just like on Bitcoin and XRP. And Ethereum still, we first invalidated, we first reacted off our first area of fair value gap. Now I'm hoping for price to pull towards this second area of fair value gap. As you could see, we're still bearish. This is a bearish leg on weekly. Yeah. So on H4, we're just trading internal structures. Just, whatever you see, this bullish trend is within the weekly bearish trend. So this is just a complex pullback internal structures that I'm trading, and I'm hoping to continue buying off Ethereum towards the upside. I'm in already on Ethereum, and I'm hoping for price to run throughout the weekend. So this is a swing. I've been waiting patiently for this pullback, and this pullback has come back to my area of interest, which is discounted. As you could see, I'm hoping to set off towards the upside. Yeah, looking at the dollar, literally the dollar, we're still waiting for the pullback, and this was my area of my decision demand, of which is acting as inducement. Monday, we're waiting for the pullback on the dollar. Yes, as much as we're waiting for the pullback on Euro USD, GBP USD, basically, as much as we're waiting for that. So these are the setups I'm patiently waiting for. You could see this is Euro USD and this is GBP USD. Yeah, we're waiting for price to pull up towards the area of premiums so that we see that we can continue buying off these pairs maybe next week. Yes, so thank you. This is what I had for today. It's a Saturday. Looking forward to profit from this crypto. And I wish you a lovely weekend. Have a good one. Bye.